The first step would be to download Fable's Chrome extension. Once you download the extension, you're now ready to record your first demo with Fable. Now that you've downloaded Fable's Chrome extension, let's see how you can record a demo. The first step to do would be to log into the app or go to the website that you want to create a demo of. Let's just say I want to create a quick demo of HubSpot. All I have to do is click on Fable's Chrome extension and say record a new demo. While we are recording a new demo, note that Fable captures all the clicks that you are doing as a part of the demo recording. Once you're done, click on stop a demo recording and let's proceed to the next step. Now, this is where you see the real power of Fable coming into play. With our new AI demo copilot, all you have to do is tell Fable the intent of this demo and we'll do the rest for you. After we have included the prompt, just click this option which says finish creating demo and let's just see what happens right after this. There you go. Fable spinned up the entire demo for us based on a simple prompt that we gave. It wrote the content, customized the CTAs, and pretty much did everything that we would do on a daily basis. Not just the branding, the content, and the CTAs, it can do a lot more. So why don't you give this a shot and try creating your first demo for free with Fable?